Bullish smooth love mixture cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish smooth love mixture market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Smooth love elixir presentation. With regards to play to procure games, Axie limitlessness captures everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Boundlessness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie Boundlessness is an NFT-upheld play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its environment, Smooth Love Mixtures and Axie Limitlessness Shards. Essentially, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, Axe is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities, and depository subsidizes spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie Endlessness biological system. Furthermore, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's to come plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Endlessness? Axie Vastness advocate the play-to-acquire ongoing interaction model wherein players are compensated by basically investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie Boundlessness from the vast majority of the present conventional close-circled games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the boundary dissection was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was galactic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can undoubtedly dish out the assets expected to purchase axies yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole impelled the grant in society programs. Factors influencing the cost of SLP. Axie Limitlessness endured a big cheese when Sky Mavis reported that their Ronin extension had been hacked and about $625 M worth of Ethereum and USDC had been taken. The sum was subsequently amended as $541 M at the hour of the break, and is the second biggest crypto hack ever. For the unenlightened, the Ronin scaffold is a piece of the Ronin blockchain network, so it exists close by administrations like the Katana Decentralized Trade, the Axie Endlessness Commercial Center, and the Axe Marking Pool. Its essential capability is to permit the exchange of resources from the Ronin world to the Ethereum world. Preferably, without it, you wouldn't have the option to move your SLP profit from the universe of Ronin to the universe of Ethereum. So it's great that before the Ronin extension, we were at that point involving concentrated trades like Binance as a semi-scaffold to the rest of the world. When you got your SLP profit moved over to Binance, you could do a wide range of things with it, including changing over them into pesos. It was a particularly famous technique, as a matter of fact, that most of Axie players actually utilize that system right up to the present day. So Sky Mavis is insignificant, putting out fires mode and working twofold chance to recover and revamp trust in their convention. This ongoing problem absolutely didn't assist the cost with actioning of SLP. Smooth Love Mixture current cost. Smooth Love Elixir is as of now worth $0. SLP has moved 6.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,871,474. Smooth Love Elixir is as of now positioned 169 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $107,250,158 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Elixir to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Smooth Love Elixir market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2022. Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SLP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Smooth Love Elixir effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2025. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SLP has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2028. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2028. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Smooth Love Mixture will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest SLP cost in 2030 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Smooth Love Elixir cost today? Today, Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0 and all-out market capital is